When I started building the C++ version of the Untold Engine back in 2013, I implemented almost everything from scratch. The renderer, physics system, collision detection system. I was obsessed with building systems. But there was one engineering practice I completely ignored, and that was unit testing. See, back then, I thought that unit tests were just a waste of my time. To me, writing tests felt like not building at all. And honestly, I just wanted to build features. So I made the mistake of just skipping it. And at first, everything seemed fine. But as the engine grew, you can just imagine, the problems started showing up. I would change something in the renderer, and somehow the animations looked weird. Or I would optimize the physics system, and collision would suddenly regress. And the worst part was, I usually didn't notice the regression immediately. Sometimes it took days. So instead of building new systems, what ended up happening was that I kept re-debugging old problems over and over again. See, regression became part of the workflow in my old engine. And looking back, I realized the issue wasn't just bugs. The issue was that I wasn't applying proper engineering practices into the engine. I was so focused on writing systems, but not on maintaining them correctly as the engine scaled. So when I decided to rewrite the Untold Engine in Swift, I made one rule from the beginning. Unit testing is not optional. It will be part of the workflow. And today, the Untold Engine has over 1,000 unit tests. For example, I have rendering test, animation test, streaming test, physics test, etc. And honestly, unit testing completely changed the way I develop software. Ironically, I avoided tests because I thought they would slow me down, but the opposite happened. Now it feels that I move faster because regressions get caught immediately. I can refactor systems without manually retesting the entire engine, and I can optimize while still validating behaviors. And instead of spending days tracking down bugs introduced weeks ago, I can focus on building new features. And that is probably the biggest lesson I learned building an engine for over a decade. Engineering is not just about building systems. It's also about building the processes that keep those systems stable. So if you're building an engine, a renderer, or honestly any large software project, do not treat testing as something you'll do later. Build it into your workflow early, because the longer the project grows without it, the more expensive it will become to fix it later. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. If you want to check out my game engine, go to www.untoldengine.com. And like always, I'll see you guys next time.